everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I got here. I got this thing, it's by Encrypted, and what it is, and I tried it already, and I'm recording with my iPhone, so I'm gonna have to show you up in one of these corners here how it kind of works. But the concept is, you get this little device, and it's a little flash drive. It's 128 gigs, so it'll store a lot of stuff. And so what you have here is you have the little connection here, it's a little Fire, whatever it's called, the connector that connects into your iPhone. Lightning, that's called Lightning connector into your phone. And then once you connect it the first time, it'll want to install the app for it. And then once you get the app for it, then that's where things are going to be stored. And that's where things are going to, that's what you're going to kind of use to do it. And so when you're in like your photos, you can send everything to that little thing there. And when you plug it in, it'll go. And when you plug it in, it kind of says fingerprint, and then you kind of, the first time it'll just ask for a fingerprint. You have to push it a few times to get it in there. So then you get it on there, and then you can be able to add things to it securely. And then once it's on this here, it's securely saved, and it's saved in here, the fingerprint. And then you can plug this into your computer, so you can transfer things back and forth, computer to your phone securely. And then as long as it's on this, no one else is going to be able to access this. You also have a 6-digit code that it created, but you're able to pass things back and forth between it and keep them securely stored on this. So if you lose it or something like that, somebody's not going to be able to just go and pick it up. So if you have certain things, I don't know if I would, it's never good to transfer your bank information or whatever like that, but if you needed to do something, this is about as secure as you can probably get. So this is a cool little device here, and it's 128 gigs, so it'll store a lot. You could store videos and whatnot on there. I mean, I've done these movies and they're like a gig, so it'll be a lot. So very cool, and I like it. So thumbs up from me, and pick up one of these and look in these corners here, wherever it was, and that's probably where my little video is of what I was doing with it.